Hello friends, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable developer mode in Windows 11 easily. For doing so or enabling the developer mode, you have to perform the method that I will show you in this video. You have to go to Windows icon below the taskbar, then you have to right click on it, then go to settings. After you go to settings, in the setting, you are able to see on the left side privacy and security option. You have to click on privacy and security option here. After clicking on it, you will see on the right side a option for developers. You have to click on for developer option. Then here you will see the first option, developer mode. You have to turn it on. You have to click on it. Then a small pop-up window will appear to you. You have to read this, like you can see here. Turning on Windows developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store, could expose your device and personal data to its security. So you have to accept this. After doing this, you can see that developer mode is enabled in your PC. By this method, you can easily enable developer mode in your PC. Thanks for watching this video.